Hello दोस्तों, my name is Saurabh Sharma. In this particular video, I am going to discuss what is hash page table. In the last lecture, we have discussed that what is inverted page table. In this particular video, we are going to focus a next type of a page table, which is hash page table. There was a problem with the inverted page table. What is that problem? The problem is the linear search time. It very higher in case of inverted page table because the table is very large and the searching time is around big O of n, which is not a good thing. Clear? That is why we need to implement hash page table. What we actually do in a hash page table, we are simply implementing a function, hash function. Clear? Hash function is very fast because it will give the result in a constant time. The time complexity will be reduced to the big O of 1 rather than getting the big O of n. That is why it is always appropriate if there are lack of entries in your page table, right? So what is the concept behind it? Let's understand. Suppose this is the page number, this is the logical address. Clear? This is the logical address in which this is the page number and this is the offset. Offset is not going to change. So we are simply forwarding this offset. Clear? So this page number is, we are implementing a hash function to that particular page number. Clear? Hash function is nothing kind of a module. Suppose the size of this page table I am taking as a 10. Clear? So address come with size page number. He wants the page number address of a page person of 12. What will be the module of 12 in respect to the 10? 2. So it will store that data into particular second section. Suppose this is 1, this is second. It will store in that particular section if the address is 12 in the respect of time. Although this is not the same, but for the simplicity, I am making this. Clear? Suppose the address of one more address is generated, and that page number is around 22. Clear? In the case of 22, what will be the remainder? 2. It will also store in that particular. So in order to avoid the collision, because we are storing the hash value, and in order to avoid the collision, यहाँ पर किसी भी तरह का collision ना हो, इसके लिए हम यहाँ पर लिंक लिस्ट का यूज कर रहे हैं. सपोज जैसे कि आपने यहाँ पर देखा, जब मैंने 12 से किया तब भी 2 आया, जब मैंने 22 से किया तब भी 2 आया. तो both of the cases we are getting 2, and in case to avoid the collision, what we are implementing the concept of linked list. We are putting the addresses in a linked list manner. Clear? Suppose this is the virtual address which we are getting from that, and this is the frame number. Clear? That is why I am using here. This is the frame number and this is the address of next one. Clear? Suppose the CPU comes, and if the address is 22 and there is a 12, this is 12. So CPU ने सबसे पहले इसको चेक किया, it has 12. It will not going to return this. It will go further in this. तो वे इसके बाद अंदर जाएगा, अंदर जाके इस P वाले का चेक करेगा. अब उसको वो मिल गया, तो it will give the data to that particular physical address. तो ये आपका physical address बन जाएगा इससे, और इसमें आपका frame number आ गया. इंस्ट्रक्शन हमने चेंज नहीं किया, ऑफसेट हम चेंज कभी नहीं करते. तो इट इज वी आर कॉपिंग फ्रॉम दी पर्टिकुलर लॉजिकल एड्रेस, एंड उस पर्टिकुलर एड्रेस पर हम जाके अपना एड्रेस को फैच कर लिया. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दी हैश पेज टेबल. आई होप आई हैव टेल यू इन द राइट वे. कीप वॉचिंग, कीप लर्निंग. थैंक यू.